Yo, 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 we're glad to have you guys in this great space. We are your hosts.
Mandy.
Candace.
I'm Brandon. Thank you guys all for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, getting the videos out there on a daily basis. We do appreciate the love and support from the bottom of our hearts. It is our birthday. We are officially 2 years old. Big toddler, big toddlers, you don't know. You can walk on 2 feet. You can run anatomically correct other than your children. You don't know. We're here. We're live. We're up. Everything nice. Yeah, big 2 years old. I want to thank you guys so much for the love, the support. You're giving us the kind words, the
Of encouragement.
and not so
Even
kind.
the not so
kind
kind ones
words.
we're grateful for.
Yeah, we're grateful for. We appreciate the persons in the public who came to us and said, "Oh my God, I'm a subscriber. Oh my God,
So
yeah."
nice to meet you guys.
Yes,
Yeah.
so nice to meet you guys.
Hey
And
Danielle, haven't seen you in a while.
who's
Big
Daniel?
up Kirklu.
Yeah.
Big up Kirklu. What the Orden brother?
Daily Bread Vlogs.
Yeah, that's David.
Yeah. Who else
Yeah.
we can remember?
I don't remember.
Gabriel.
Daniela.
Yeah, Daniela. Gary.
Orden. I think Orden Cummings.
Yeah.
Orden. Ben Dunn, SDA. Big up on yourself.
Oh my gosh.
We need to call out one of
There's
these
somebody else.
days. Ben
There's
Dunn,
somebody
SDA. Big up on
else that's
yourself.
always
Big up on yourself.
commenting. Is Kayla?
Probably.
This girl named Gabriella always comments.
Yeah,
too.
I just said her
Yeah,
name.
yeah,
Is
Gabriel.
Kayla?
No, I got
McDonald?
Probably, yeah.
Kayla McDonald, I think, on Carrie.
Chessine.
Yeah, Chessine. Big up Chessine.
Big
Yeah,
up Khadijah every time.
Yeah.
Khadijah.
Mhm.
One
Yeah.
Deja.
Yeah, big up Auntie
Yeah.
Rose. So yeah, Auntie Dainty as well, who
Aww.
always
Everyone
supposed to
who's-
like them.
yeah.
Well, thank you guys for the
Big up Mommy
support.
Preston.
Thank you for the likes. Thank you guys for sharing it. This has been with 2 years. You don't know.
It's been an
And
awesome 2 years,
It's been
guys.
an interesting journey.
Yeah.
We've had our ups and downs, but we're still here, putting in the content, staying consistent, believing in the dream, believing in the passion. So, I had a whole,
You had a whole speech plan?
no, you know the Kevin James thing.
Oh, brother.
Jello.
Brandon, please.
God bless. God bless the troops. God bless the food, and God bless America. Gentlemen, start. Yeah, that could be so funny, but yeah. God bless Jamaica, and yeah, we want to thank you guys so much for showing us love.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we love you guys.
What started as a conversation at the picnic table at camp
Camp
is
has
now what you guys are tuned into.
Two
Tuned
years
into, yeah.
later.
2 years later.
Wow.
It's really big. Time flies when you're having fun.
yeah, it
Yeah.
does. It does.
It's been a wild, crazy ride.
A lot
I
has
don't
changed.
think prior to us going to camp, I've never ever seen myself
on a podcast.
on a podcast, let alone hosting one with my
Yeah.
2 closest friends. So life really has a way of throwing you
Yeah.
places
Throwing you
you've
places.
never seen yourself.
You never.
I don't
seen-
even think I was watching podcasts at that
No.
point in time
No,
either.
well,
No,
I
no,
was.
I was.
I
Yeah.
was.
I
I
saw
listening.
a
I was-
few, but
no.
they didn't gravitate.
That's
to
the
me.
thing. And you'd pass them and they're like,
Yeah.
am I was more of a talk show with an audience that go and break and come back kind of person, really.
Remember the script? Laugh.
Yeah.
It's
Everyone clap.
teleprompter. Yeah.
All right, so we're coming back now from the
Side story.
commercial.
Yeah.
Side story. Say
All right.
Aww.
This is a person that's coming out. They're not really well known, but when they come out, I need you guys to give the
Yeah.
loudest applause.
Yeah.
All right, let's welcome Justin.
Broomfield.
Yay! And Justin Bloomfield will get the largest applause. Who's Justin Bloomfield? The audience don't know.
Audience don't know, and they don't care.
That's the beauty of.
Is that like a job? Like a live to the audience? Is that a job?
Yeah, that's like,
Yes, some of them.
Can I do that?
Some sitcoms it's a job.
Mm-hmm.
For talk shows, you actually get tickets to go there, and you're still directed on what to do.
Director wants to do, okay.
But the sitcoms, they use the paid people or the
The laugh track.
laugh track.
Oh yeah, I know what the laugh track.
That's what I kind of appreciate about the 90s. They had the
Because
actual
something there, Martin
audience.
was in front of a live studio audience.
Fresh Prince,
Fresh
of
Prince was
Bel-Air,
also in front of a
and
live
The
studio
Friends.
audience.
I think further back, I think because
Friends, yeah.
what happened is that the reason that apparently the laugh track is to trick the viewers
Into
into
laughing.
believing
laughing.
what
That's
was
to knowing
funny.
when the joke happened.
Yeah, know what? Yeah, so that would they're like Big Bang Theory. Half of the time it's not funny, but they have the laugh track anyways.
Yeah.
But Fresh Prince used to
Fresh
kill
Prince
me.
is
Fresh-
hilarious.
Fresh Prince used to kill me,
The
bro.
they treat the laugh track like a yawn. You yawn when you see somebody else yawn.
Yeah.
So you
yeah.
laugh when you hear the laugh track.
Yeah, yeah.
Even if they didn't have the laugh track, I think just it's good when you put comedians in there, cause you can be an actor and not be funny.
Yes.
Yeah.
Will Smith had the whole shebang, personality, looks. He had everything going for him.
Trifecta.
So yeah, so he was But anyways, guys, this is about this great space.
Yeah.
We already gave you our thanks. We don't have no ice cream and cake today.
No, we're not ice cream and
But
cake.
let's just pretend, right? If you're seeing this episode, just pop out, go in your freezer. If you have some ice cream in there, get a scoop or
Yeah, scoop.
or if you have some cake, just take a nice little
If
slice.
you're not a birthday candle, just draw for the candle. Your mother
Draw for the candle and just
like
light
that.
it.
Yeah,
Blow
light
it out for us. Make a wish
Yeah.
and blow it out. Yeah.
Make a wish,
Yeah.
yeah.
Or fan it out. Cause you know, say from COVID, nobody not really like blow
Blow.
candles these
Yeah.
days. Cause
Really?
I must say,
Yeah, because
Yeah,
it's
you're
kind of
blowing your-
unhygienic.
yeah,
You
so,
blow and you're technically spitting all over
You know
the
what's
cake.
crazy?
and then you go share the cake, get everybody.
You know, yeah, that's what I'm saying. This whole time we're just blowing out candles
Yeah.
and watching the bacteria.
COVID made everybody
Yeah.
realize how some things were
Yeah, I was
unhygienic.
watching bacteria end up on the cake and everybody's eating the same cake.
Yep.
Well, yeah.
We do a lot of things that are pretty unhygienic
Yeah, does
on a daily that you don't know.
it doesn't really change anything though. I mean, we're still here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
We're still kicking.
Come
Germs
this
are-
far.
Germs are good
Germs
for you.
are good for you to build up your immune system. That's why you
Yeah.
get.
It is tearing mine
Your
down.
shots.
Me,
What's it
one
called?
thing about me, I gonna get sick.
That's why you get immunized.
My
They
im-
introduce.
immunized.
They introduce.
Brother Badman.
That's what your. What is it? What is it? Wait name.
immunization,
No, wait name.
vaccination.
Vaccine. Mighty God. That is. Vaccines
you
are
have it-
small doses of.
If you have the
the
thing on your arm,
disease
it
that
makes
they
me
give
know where
to
you're
you.
from.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's what a vaccine is. It just helps your body to recognize this and fight it from early. So should in case
Yeah.
it come back,
You're
you
good
have
to
a
go.
proper response.
That's why sometimes I get sick after you get them
yeah, you get a
shoot you with a
vaccine.
needle,
Yeah.
and you get
get
boy.
sick.
I don't think this is vaccine though. I think it's
don't know what
I
it
think
is.
it's tagging.
The mark.
Yeah, I think it's a tag.
You think, Brendan? I
So
don't know what it
Because
is.
apparently only people from the Caribbean have this mark, you know.
Because it
Some
was a
Africans-
specific kind of medical protocol. I don't know if it's the needle that they use, a specific kind of needle that they use in this region.
You know what I'm
I
wondering?
don't know. I don't know.
How
I don't know.
comes I don't have no recollection of this being. Was it
Same, bro.
imprinted on
young-
me? Did I cry? Like I
Yeah,
have
I know,
questions.
I have no recollection.
Mommy, if you're seeing this, call me real quick. I need answers.
Yeah.
Did I cry? It's
Did I
hilarious.
cry?
Of
What
course.
was
Well,
the process of this?
Yeah.
I have no recollection.
mine there?
Oh, your own so big.
And mine is like a perfect circle.
Some of
That's
It
not
look like them did I try do a circle of Jamaican flag in a way. Cause where it have
the little ridges. Yeah.
Yeah, I always wonder. I just remember waking up and seeing that. So I was always wonder.
I just
where-
remember one day
yeah,
as a kid, you're looking at yourself and you're like,
why is this here?
What's that?
and then you go around and you look and everybody else in your family have it.
Everybody
Yeah.
have it.
Yeah.
Some people's are really, really deep
Some
set.
are small, some are
Yeah.
big. Some turn into like almost like keloids in a way
Yeah.
on some people's skin.
Yeah, keloids.
Yeah.
It makes me know if you're one of us. If not, they not like us.
Yeah, pretty much. I think it's only the Caribbean.
No, some older
Africans.
generations overseas also.
Have it.
Yeah.
You know where them come from? The Caribbean.
Okay.
So guys, what
We are not
what's-
medical professionals.
So yeah,
Do you think you have a biggest accomplishment from our 2 years as being a part of the podcast? What do you think has been our or your biggest
Oh,
accomplishment?
well, one of them is we reached 1,000 followers on TikTok. That was one. Two, I think we reached 500 subscribers.
540 the last time I checked.
542 now.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, I
Making
think
our
we reached
way, making our
540
way.
something. 500 subscribers before 2 years, which is good.
Yeah.
I think on the Instagrams we don't reach 1,000 yet. You guys need to follow us. We don't reach 1,000 yet, but I think we reached 700. I think this year on the TikTok we got bare views. I think our highest video is 10,700 views. 10,400. We have a 9,883. I think we have a 7,400 and something. So the TikTok, lots
We're
of
grateful, guys. Even if
Yeah.
2 views it, we're grateful nonetheless.
views. I
Yeah.
think the YouTube, we had a lot of YouTube success this year. With the shorts, we got views in the thousands, which was very surprising. But we got views in the thousands.
Yeah, short form content.
I think for 1 month we had all of our videos going like 1,000 views, because we posted consistently this year. From videos 5 times a week, posted consistently this year. Even on the what do you call it, IG as well. Even on IG as well, yeah. We got a lot of engagement. We came across different persons who are in this space as well.
Yeah.
Bend on SDA. We hope to collaborate them one of these days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll be
We see the messages of people reaching out to us to
Yeah.
collab, guys. Honestly,
Yeah.
we definitely are taking note of every single one of them. We're just trying to curate a space where we can accommodate you guys, because we're still a work in the progress, same way.
But if you want us to come to you and we can bop in
Yeah,
your
let
place,
us know.
go
Yeah,
forward. You see me?
For sure.
We'll bring the Scrabble and we can have a showdown, Shaolin showdown style. Gangnam Empire, is it?
Okay. It's a
we
fun game.
also I think those are some of the major ones. I think some of the major ones. Yeah, I think those are some of the major ones. We had a good year. A good year views wise, content wise, comments wise. Could use some more comments though. You guys need to comment on the videos so the algorithm can say, "Whoa, this is a great video." No, but that's that's what it does. So guys, comment. The TikTok, you guys are very out there over there. You guys comment.
Yeah,
you guys
each platform has a different
audience. Yeah,
audience for
yeah,
sure.
Yeah. The YouTube is more, we like this, we're gonna like it. TikTok is more like, what you just say? You see me? While the Instagram is more on the, if it's like noteworthy, we'll pick it up. So yeah, we've had a pretty good year for this great space, and we want to thank you guys for the support, for liking the videos, for sharing them, getting them out there.
They said this already.
We didn't get any awards this year.
Oh my
Not
god.
yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not
We don't get
yet.
any awards here. Not yet.
It's coming.
I guess we
Oh
didn't really.
I don't think it's our main focus, to be honest, guys. To be,
Nah.
we are happy that we're being recognized, but we didn't come into this to get awards, really and truly.
We didn't
We
do
wanted
this
to reach you guys and hope that our words and our method of ministering
onto you all.
ministering to you guys
Yeah.
gets you saved, and
Yes.
and
That
that
keeps
you,
you safe.
yeah, and
With
that
our-
you decide that salvation is the best route to go. You guys getting saved or staying saved
It's the mission.
is the award for us, because we're doing God's work, and we just want to see the whole gang up in heaven.
Yeah.
That's the goal. But yeah, we've done pretty good for ourselves
Yeah, but we can do better.
organically these past 2 years.
Yeah.
We definitely can do better for
We can
sure.
do
There's
better.
always room for improvement.
And we will do better.
Definitely.
For sure.
For sure.
We have to. We don't have a choice. So yeah, we really don't have a choice. So and if you want to start your own content as well, just start it. Just go out there, whatever you like, just start it. Go out there and you'll see how you flourish. You'll be surprised that the Christian community there isn't a lot of voices out there. There isn't a lot, especially in our.
I think there are.
There are voices
Hold on,
out
There are lots
there.
of
hold
voices out
on.
there.
Let me.
All right,
There
finish saying
is-
what you're saying.
With the Jamaican side, there isn't a lot. I'm not saying like it's we, but I'm saying there isn't a lot in the Jamaican side. To me, that's just me personally.
Mm.
So how the youths feel, them not feel it.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
we,
me.
we do acknowledge that to
Yeah.
grow, to be, or just to grow in general, it's going to be pretty steady, and a bit slow at sometimes because Christian content is not always, it's not what
It's not
people, the
always trendy.
masses, yeah, it's not what the masses are looking for. It's
Yeah,
not
it's not.
trendy. It's more of for the people that are already saved. But that's our goal is not just to reach
The sea.
The
the saved.
saved,
We
and
want to
those
reach the
that are
unsaved,
lost.
Yeah.
right? So we are taking our time. We're slowly but surely, and we're getting there. And wherever the Lord decides
It's the next twist.
to lead us, that's the direction that we're gonna go in.
Yeah. So it's been
Got anything you want to say? Brandon has been doing a monologue today.
Well, for the 2 years, we have been here with
Nice.
you. Huh? Oh. Yeah, we have been here with you guys. It's been such a pleasure being a part of this. As Mandy said, from that little picnic bench in Spur Tree to where we are now, and to be able to put names and faces to names recently has been quite the pleasure for myself. You know, it's one thing to sit behind the camera and talk to the camera, but when you guys come up, sorry, when you guys come up and approach us and we're able to see the different subscribers that we have, it's been such a pleasure meeting all of you, saying hello. I know sometimes you guys catch us when we're just coming off of work and we're super duper tired, but it's and we might not pick up on it as soon as, but being able to have interactions with our subscribers outside of here really has been quite the pleasure, to be able to put names and faces, or to collect faces and hope to one day put names to
Put
them.
names to them.
But yeah, man, it's been quite the interesting road. 2 years going on.
well, yeah.
Facts.
You guys might also be asking where's the merch.
Oh gosh,
It's coming.
it's coming,
It's
guys.
coming.
People,
It's coming.
Good things come to those who wait.
It's coming, and when it gets here,
Y'all better run it up.
yeah, make sure you're
Yeah.
the first name in the queue.
Run it
Right.
up or square up.
Yeah, it's gonna be there for sure.
crazy.
We will. I mean, we always go to the different gospel concerts and gospel events happen on across the island. So if you do see us,
Yeah.
Don't
be
shy
afraid
away
to
And
from-
say
you know,
hi.
Don't shy
you
from
know
saying
what?
hi, you know?
Also, invite us to your things that's going on. We might not be able to see all of the events that are taking place. We have it's 6 eyes here, but we can't see everything. So if you guys want us to show up, or you want to recommend, like, hey, my church is having a youth concert, or hey, my church is having a youth week, or a convention here, a convention there, you guys can let us know. Send it to our DMs if you have a flyer or so, and let us know. And we just might pop up in your ends.
Yeah.
Because come
Yeah.
on now, it's one kingdom.
one
That's
body
what we're striving for.
under
One
God,
God,
increasing
one
beauty,
faith.
fellowship, and prosperity
Okay.
to play
You
her
get me?
part.
So we're all here, and we want to fellowship with our fellow Christians. We want to be able to meet you guys and have a good time
Well, I don't know
in the
if I
presence
can go
of the
see
Lord.
no, 'cause you know some church.
No, I'm saying that's what I'm saying.
No, I can't go up on the rush. I can't go up on the people. Them.
Then nobody's calling you up
Nobody's
to
not
come to
calling
a
you up
sermon.
Listen,
You can sit down
They
at the
just
back.
invite you. I don't know
listen,
what's
this
wrong.
life.
They just invite you. So yeah, if you guys want to
supposed to
invite
go
us,
on and they're like, welcome in this great space. Guys, come up and say something.
we are open to
What should I say?
invitation.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, man.
Also, we have some new subscribers. We've been having new subscribers, and we've just been saying hello to you guys and welcoming you, but we haven't really officially welcomed you. So for our new and existing members, once again, this is Brandon, this is Candace, and this is Mandy. We are a group of 20-something-year-olds trying to figure out life as Christians.
No,
And while we're doing so, we are sharing our experiences and what it's like with you guys, and trying
much.
to minister to you guys as well to the best.
Yeah.
of our abilities as you
Cause
minister to ourselves.
our
We love joke around. We love to laugh. We
we'll keep it serious.
always we keep it serious. We are
Will you
the
keep it serious?
president, president general, and president number 2 of the YAP community. We are certified yappers. We
Yapperoonies.
can go
All
all
day.
day,
All day.
non-stop.
And our
Love
motto,
talk.
our motto is talking about everyday life with a Christian perspective. So we're just talking about whatever the news is, whatever we find interesting, and we just share it from a Christian perspective.
Yeah.
So, you know, if that's what you want to hear, if you want to hear or a voice of your age group about these topics, because we are not the Bible and we are not doctrine. So we're just sharing what the Bible says.
Right, right.
You see me? So if you, by seeing the locks and spark interest as to what we have to say, welcome.
Welcome.
If you see the red hair, spark interest, welcome.
And with ripped jeans.
Yeah, if you see the ripped jeans and you see the nails and the spark interest, welcome.
Welcome.
We are
welcome.
Christian
We don't
people.
discriminate. We don't
Discriminate?
judge. Discriminate.
Oh, discriminate
What's
me.
wrong with him
I don't think he's hearing well.
We don't discriminate and we don't judge because that is the
That's
Lord's
That's God's business.
right
We
job.
can-
We don't do.
You have,
We
you have
are-
righteous judgment, and so far
We
you're
are
good. You're in the
yeah.
clear.
We're pretty real. We are as real as it gets. From the episodes that you guys have watched, you can see that we have no filter. We don't sugarcoat anything for anybody. That's pretty much our personality as well. It's not up front for the cameras. We are like this in real life.
For real. I like this.
Brandon is always giving monologues in real life.
Yeah.
Candace is the brains, and I'm just always making funny faces. So that is what we do.
When was
We-
Candace the brains?
You thought it was you?
In the friend group or just for this great space?
In general. Okay, we're all the brains. I'm sorry, some
I'm
people
just-
are feeling
I'm
a bit left out.
I'm just checking.
But
I'm just checking.
in the friend group, who Candace is the brains.
Sure.
It's you?
What
Is it you?
what defines the brains?
Oh my God!
The smart
I'm sorry,
one?
Lord.
The smart one.
The smart one.
By what
You
metric?
think it's you?
By what metric?
No, I'm just asking. You think it's you?
Yeah, I think it's me.
You think it's you?
Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
my God! Let's settle this right now. Okay. Question number 1.
All right.
In what year
Mm.
did Jamaica gain independence?
1962.
Okay,
I-
I gotta give it to my girl over here.
I did not answer fast.
All right. Question number 2.
All right.
In what year was slavery fully abolished?
1838.
All right. Give it to my guy over here. All right. Next question. In what year did... Oh, wait. No, I can't ask that. It's too easy. Okay. What is the name of the mountain range, highest mountain range in South America?
Mount Kilimanjaro.
That is incorrect.
Sorry, the Andes.
Oh, wow.
It's the Andes,
He
yeah.
got it right.
It's the
Oh my
Andes, yeah.
gosh, Candice, where are you? All
the
right.
Andes, yeah.
Next question.
Forgot.
All right. What is the name of... Who was Prime Minister of Jamaica during the incursion in West Kingston?
Jeez, is that Bruce Golding?
Girl,
Is it?
you're bright, man. You go bright in school. You go bright in school.
Brightening
Yeah, man. All right. Next question. Who is the host of TVJ's All Angles?
Yeah.
Deion
Jackson
Jackson
Miller.
Miller.
All right. Ease. All right. Who is the former host of Religious Heart Talk?
Ian
Yeah,
Boyne.
boy.
All right. Who is the host of the Business Day on CVM TV?
CBM TV.
Mm-hmm.
Garfield Burford. That's all the person from
I'm
CBM I
supposed to go
know.
back
No,
to-
think old man.
I know.
It's not Cliff Hughes.
No,
that's
starts with O.
Nationwide.
That's nationwide. Yeah.
O?
Yes.
Oral.
No.
Orville Reed.
No.
Mm-mm. First name starts with O, last name starts with J. And the Business Day usually carries his name, the dash report.
The Owen James report.
Owen James.
Wow.
I
I don't
would
watch
not
TV
know
for
that.
anything, brother.
Alright,
I'm
cool,
so sorry.
More know Garfield Burford.
I'm so sorry.
There
to
was
see
a
them.
specific member of parliament during this time period who was involved in a controversial case with Cuban light bulbs.
Kirk. Kirk.
I
No.
feel it Paul.
No.
It sounds like what
Kurt,
you're...
Anna Kurt Spencer.
It's not
Kern
Kurt.
Spencer.
Kern. Kern Spencer, yeah.
People clap them, clap them,
Cuban
clap
light
them.
bulb
Yeah,
scandal.
yeah.
Alright, let me see what
Kern-
else I can
Kern
ask.
Spencer.
you.
What
Oh my
team?
gosh.
He's about. Okay, let me see what else I can ask. Which actress
Okay.
lived long enough to see the invention of sliced bread?
Betty White.
Jesus.
I didn't know that.
Wow, I was curating it so beautifully in my head.
Yeah.
Alright.
I didn't know that one.
Okay.
You don't say older than sliced bread, you say older than Betty White.
Which gospel artist also had a past in dancehall music?
Papa San.
Papa Son.
Female.
Marion Hall.
No.
No, not Marion.
Chevelle Franklin.
Yes, that's correct.
She did?
Yeah, she's a dancehall queen for life. Yes.
What?
Yeah, that song is a remix.
Oh,
Yeah.
You have a whole wormhole for me to carry you down.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
It's more than that.
Chevelle
Oh.
Franklin.
You know, Shabba Ram said a song, Mr. Loverman.
Shabba. It's
She
a
was.
lover, man.
Is she?
Yeah.
Oh,
Chevelle
Alright, yeah.
Franklin.
Big up Chevelle, you know. By the blood of Jesus, she prevailed.
Amen.
Yeah. Who is the current Minister of Education?
Jeez,
It's
I
not-
always mix up her name.
it's not Favel.
It's
No.
Donna.
Some
No.
McFarlane.
Close to that.
Jesus, I always mix
Donna
it up.
Freya.
No. Something Scott Morris.
Yes.
Something like
Yeah,
that.
something like that.
Always mix it up.
Yeah, I thought she just changed.
Something. Yeah. I'm sorry.
Her name Dana Morris Dixon.
Dana
Morris
Morris
Dixon,
Dixon.
yeah.
I always mix up with Donna Scott Morris. I don't even know if Donna Scott Morris is an actual person. But
Which former minister and MP has 2 children currently serving in the Jamaica Labour Party and are MPs?
it's not Carl Samuda.
No.
No.
And Mike Henry.
Jamaica Labour Party.
Pernell Charles?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's son.
I have a son and a
a
daughter.
Oh.
All right, guys. So thank you for joining us for this little birthday episode.
Yeah. thank you,
We
guys.
really appreciate the love and support
from the bottom of our hearts.
from like Christmas. Every day is Christmas, you know. We really hope you guys continue rocking with us. Well, we're not hoping. You have to.
Yeah.
You've made it this far. Might as
Yeah.
well stay the entire journey, right?
And comment
Yeah.
below your favorite part of our 2-year journey, what you've appreciated thus far, what you'd like to see. Just let us know. Show us some love on our 2-year anniversary down in the comments, guys.
Yes. Thank you guys all for watching this great space. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Jesus Christ, the way, the truth, and the life. Get to know him today, and if you don't know him,
You're
You're
moving
moving
mad.
mad.
you're moving mad, bro. Thank you guys all for watching this.
Great space.
Bye, guys.
You know what you can do also? As a 2-year challenge, we want to see your clips of your rendition of this great space.
Oh my
Come
God.
on, shout out and let us know that you're wishing us a happy birthday with your rendition of this great space.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.